Hello everybody, Tammy Pro here. Today we're going to be doing an experiment to see if these cheap airsoft safety glasses that you get at Walmart and stuff actually work. In this experiment we're going to be using spring guns. Maybe I'll do it again with an AEG. I'm getting one, but if you're doing a cheap backyard war thing, let's check this out. I already know what happens, though, because I already did it. I'm scared it will ricochet, so I'll go behind this flower pot. Oh yeah, it's not loaded. Ow. No, I did not shoot myself. We're going to be using two guns, okay? I'm pretty sure that hit it, and it worked. Now we're going to be using a rifle. And again, I'm pretty sure I know what. Check if I have stuff in there. Okay, I have one BB in there. This is a G36C. Again, I'm going to show you the guns in the end. So yeah, these work pretty well. They're pretty sturdy. So now, I'll show you the guns I'm using. This is a G36C. Has a flashlight at the end and this red dot. Only really works at night though, or in the dark. Kind of works indoors, but I don't really do CQB for airsoft. Do paintball indoors sometimes. And this is the spring pistol. No, it's not loaded. So yeah, these glasses you get from Walmart are okay to use for spring battles in your backyard or anything. However, I guess if you're gonna be going out to a field and using, more powerful guns than these spring guns, I'll recommend paying some extra money to get one by itself, because this just came with this Crossman gun, and yes, I painted it. So yeah, thank you for watching. A quick update. Minecraft Land is not going to be showing for a few months because I am traveling for summer vacation here back home to San Diego, and I don't have my big giant computer I game with back at my house. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, people. I'll be doing airsoft videos. So yeah, peace.